and water, and the food coloring, and the pill thingy. Okay, so we're gonna use the oil. Oh yeah, and you're gonna need a parent to help you guys if you want to do this experiment with us, guys.
And like and subscribe.
Yes. Okay, so Mommy, Daddy, we need your help.
Mommy, we need parents to help.
Okay, so Mommy. You took the whole thing off. Okay, oil. Okay, guys, you have to wear this when you're doing your experiment like this, guys. So you have to be extra careful, everyone.
Yeah.
That's right. And then you put the water with the parent help. Bucky. Oh, so many bubbles, everyone. You see?
Wow. My turn.
Go. Ooh.
My turn.
Let's go to see what happens.
I see a water.
Bubble in the water. How's it flying?
Wow.
It's like
It's a white.
how's it flying? It's like it's a white. Look at the ball is right.
Yes, it's that.
What? Okay, guys, I'm gonna use blue food coloring and use it to drop it in with the oil in the water 20 times. Okay, guys? I'm gonna be extra careful. Don't spill it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 20. Too much to squeeze, everyone. Take a look. It looks like a candy.
Too smooth.
Rồi, bỏ vô trong đây nè.
It's getting wet.
What happened?
Wow, what's happening, everyone? See what's happening? It's turning blue. Look at it, everyone. See what's happening? It's turning blue.
It's the app.
Oh, so many balls, everyone.
I thought it's gonna explode. Like,
Baby, see?
it's going
Okay, everyone, be quiet. Do you hear that? So many.
Wow. That is so cool, guys. Yeah. Did you
Okay.
even see that?
Looks like bubbles falling down. So many bubbles.
It's like sand.
So many bubbles from the sky going down from an airplane going to crash
It's
through the
like
floor.
water.
Okay, guys, focus on one of the balls and see what happens to them, everyone. Sometimes good, sometimes great. Oh, now see them sing.
Ah.
I think it lasted like 5 minutes. Minute or so.
It's not gonna explode.
Okay, so it's cool, right, everyone?
Now we're gonna put it in. The yellow food coloring.
1, 2,
Just do 10.
or 5. 3,
Or đi.
4, 5. Okay,
Let's
that's
do
it.
5. Guys, okay? Because that's enough. Let's come back. Okay. Ah, I've spoken.
Okay, just show
Is
them.
it looks like candy? Another one, G.
Boogie. So dip it in the Okay, now put it in. Wow, you see what's happening, everyone? Cereal.
Yeah.
Wow, yellow bubbles. I never seen
Oh,
that.
the yellow.
Focus on the yellow bubbles. See what happens to them.
And I this one.
Okay. Wow. It's went up and down, up and down.
Yeah. What the?
Yeah, it's a spoon. Some red, some yellow. Guess what the yellows? They're like ours.
Yeah. Kind of cool, right, guys? Wow! Mine stopped.
When it stops, you can put it on and it come again.
No, I don't like it. Okay, now Carrie's time. Yeah, Carrie, your time. Okay, now Keely.
Now,
Pop it in.
food coloring. We do it on like.
So we dip it in.
10.
1.
I'll help you. I'll help you, Kitty. 2,
3, 10.
4, 5,
6, 7, 8,
9,
10. Okay, let's go see now.
Very cool experiment.
Okay.
Kitty, don't eat it. It's not candy.
Yeah.
Everything she puts in her mouth.
Let's go. What's
Will you
gonna
see,
be?
Kitty?
Mercury. Wow, it's so cool.
Are those white bubbles? It's supposed to be red bubbles.
Wow. Sometimes white, sometimes red.
Wow, it's turning red.
Wow. See that sound?
They change color. Well, how does it work?
It's like a tornado. Ooh.
And the bubbles are people.
Ah!
Whoosh, it's dancing. Whoosh. It's like wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Not
wiggle,
exploding. Hey, it's like a tornado.
Okay, camera, I can't see. Because of this.
It's turning orange. Kaylee, what's your favorite color? Orange. Ah, and green.
Small bubbles. 1, 2, 3. I got a little bit. Okay, don't talk, okay?
Yeah.
Cool, everyone. I can't see through it. I can't see through anyone. Can you see through?
I can see this. Not mine and Kaylee's.
I see red in yours.
Ellis. Kaylee. 9. Now Kaylee.
Wow, stop following together. Stop following.
Wow.
Cool, like?
Look up, Kayla.
There's
Look.
still 3 more. Here, bubbles. Okay, guys, I think that's a bit end of the video, guys. Please like and subscribe. And bye. And love you.
And I love you.
Coolie.
Like, Scott, do you like pick a one you like the colors.